Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my glowy skincare routine. Thanks so much to Clinique for sponsoring this video. Let's just get started. So I'm going to start off with a mask. I normally use a brush because I don't like when the products get all under my fingernails. So this is a clay mask. Clay masks are good for unclogging your pores. So the directions say to leave on for 10 minutes, so that's what we're gonna do. Whew, that was a quick 10 minutes. So I'm gonna use this makeup remover cloth because it's very gentle. I personally don't like to use washcloths like the cotton ones. This one is perfect for removing your makeup and removing these hard to get off face masks. So I just wet this with some warm water and get the mask off. So normally after I do a mask, I like to go in with a gentle face wash. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm just going to wash my face to make sure there's no mask residue. So once we're all done, I'm gonna go in with a paper towel to dry my face because, again, me personally, I don't like to use towels because I feel like they harbor bacteria, and I just feel like using a paper towel is more hygienic, but that's just me. So next we're going to go in with a serum, and to me a serum is the equivalent to a primer before you put on makeup. The serum is the primer before you put on your moisturizer. Now here's where the super glow comes from. It's all in the moisturizer. I normally use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion, but lately I've been using the new Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly. Now this one is good for all skin types. It's oil free and the water jelly texture provides lightweight hydration and it leaves no residue on your skin. Another great thing is that it helps fight the negative impact of pollution on your skin because we all know there's yucky things floating around outside in the air. So not only does it lock in moisture, but it filters out the pollution. Now we can't have glowy skin and chapped lips, so I'm going in with my favorite lip balm. So yeah, that completes this video. Super easy, right? Make sure you visit a Clinique counter near you to try the Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly. I have a link for it in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.